Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a passive income just on your phone. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to go through, I think it's 5 sites where you can actually download apps on browsers and that sort of thing, and also then earn that cash passively that just works in the background and you earn a passive income. So let's head right over to the desktop and we'll run through each of them very, very quickly so you can see exactly what I'm on about. Okay, so the first site I want to talk about, or first site stroke app, is called MacMoney, where you can actually earn money from receiving text messages. Okay, so totally passive. All you do is receive text messages and then you earn some cash and that goes into your wallet. And then after you get to, I think it's $5, you can then just withdraw that money straight to your PayPal account. Okay, so you'll find most of the full reviews on my actual YouTube channel here. As you can see here, there's the MacMoney app review I done about a month ago. So you can check out more how it works in that particular video. And I'll put a link to that in the description below here. Plus, I'll put obviously links to all of the videos to show you today in the links below. So you'll be able to find out more about each one of those. Okay, so the second one we're going to be looking at is called CryptoTab Browser. Now you can obviously download this as a browser, so it can be on your actual phone or it can be on your PC or a laptop as well. And then what it does is every time you actually go and use your internet for browsing and that sort of thing, if you use the CryptoTab Browser, you will earn actually in the background. Okay, and it'll all be done totally passive. And obviously these are not in any particular order, so that's 2 we've done so far. We've got another 3 to do, and the 5th one is got a little bit of a twist to it, but it's probably the newest app out there and it's the one with probably the most potential, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end for that particular one. So now the third one I want to talk about is called Honeygain. And then with Honeygain, all you're doing here is you're sharing your excess internet. And again, you can obviously put it onto your mobiles, you can put it onto your laptops and other devices as well. And then what it does, it basically shares, actually you get paid for sharing your excess internet. So you do need an unlimited internet account, which most people have these days, but make sure you do. So if you're just using it just on your mobile, just be careful you're not using up all your data, etc. By doing the Honeygain app. Make sure you've got an unlimited supply obviously on your phone. But again, very, very easy to do. As you can see here, you just download it to your Windows, or you can download the apps, and they're on both Android and on Apple as well. And as you can see here, if you use obviously my link below, which I'll put in the description below, you can actually get a $5 gift just for joining Honeygain and starting to use it. And once you set it up, it literally is a set and forget. Yes, there are things you could go in every day and earn more cash quicker. And again, whole playlist of the Honeygain videos that you can actually watch as well if Honeygain is something that grabs your attention. Okay, so the 4th one we're going to look at now is again somewhere where you can obviously share your traffic. So it works on very similar ways to Honeygain, and that's called PeertoProfit. And again, just check out the videos I've done on this. I've actually made withdrawals on this, and I'm actually running PeertoProfit and Honeygain at the same time, purely and simply because I'm actually doing videos about both of them, so I'm having to have them both running. So I'm probably not making as much as probably what other people could do if you just choose one and go for that. And again, that is going to depend on which one is going to be better for you. And the only way of doing that is to probably download each of them and try them individually. Try one for 1 month and then one for another month. See which one gets the better return on the income, and then obviously just run that one on all your devices. And of course, the more devices you can run it on, the more money again you will actually earn. Okay, so we're coming up to the last one now, and that is, like I say, is a new app. It's only recently launched in the last few months, but it's only just starting to pay out, okay? Because they've had to jump through a few hoops and things like that with the Google Play and the Apple Store. Again, I'll go into more detail in the videos, and I'll put this video at the end of this video as well, so it's easy to locate. So you just got to just click on it and find out more. But basically what it is, you download the app for free. It's where you can actually store your memories, and you can use the app for free. And then what it also does, it harvests your data, and it's your location data. So lots of apps that are on your phone are doing this without your knowledge, okay? And you are obviously agreeing to that once you sign up to the apps. And then what they're doing is they're actually selling this location data to marketing companies and big other companies and corporate entities that want this information to obviously so they can build more better infrastructure in their towns and that sort of thing. So that's how it works. But the beauty of Instant Recall, they've got together and they've said, right, okay, we're going to take this data, we're going to collect this data, but how about them paying something back to the people that are actually giving us the data? So of course we are then going to be paid for that data. Now the downside is they did want to make this a free app completely, okay, but because of the spiraling costs on Google, what they wanted to actually collect the data, they've had to obviously implement a very small subscription of $3.99 a month, which you pay through the app. But the beauty of it is that for everybody that you refer that upgrades, now you can obviously use the app for free to collect memories and that. And like I say, I'll put a more detailed video at the end of this video. You actually earn $1 for everybody that uses the app and upgrades to actually earn money from the app as well. So that's $1 every single month. Now I know what you're thinking. Obviously that's not a lot if you're paying out $4. So you do need 4 people to break even, but for argument's sake, if you've got 10 people in, what it also does, it pays on the second level as well. So if those 10 people get 10 people, then obviously you would get $1 for everybody on that level too. So again, this is not a pyramid scheme, so it's just an affiliate marketing, so you're only getting a proportion, just like you do on affiliate marketing. So if you do get your 10 people, then you can obviously get down a total of 4 levels, and you could end up earning quite a few $1,000s every single month passively. So it's certainly worth having a look at, and you can certainly download the app for free and have a look at it, and then just get yourself involved, because like I say, end of this month is going to be the first payday, so hopefully I'll be doing obviously an update video about that, but there'll be more videos obviously coming soon, and there is a video that you can find out more about this app right at the end of this video. So that's it for this video. Like I said, there's 5 apps here that you can actually download and start earning passive income where you're literally hardly doing anything for your money. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And also, if you are joining any of those, let us know in the comments below which one you're going to be using to earn some extra passive income online. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.